In this video, we'll share the essentials of updating your pricing and availability on GetYourGuide. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, you're in the right place. Let's start with managing your availability. If you don't use a reservation system, simply select No, I don't and move to the next screen. Now you'll choose whether your activity has fixed start times, like a walking tour at 10 a.m., or if customers can arrive anytime during operating hours, like an all-day museum pass. On this screen, you'll also select your pricing model. Will you charge per person based on individual categories or per group for families and friends, for example? For this exercise, we'll select fixed time slots and price per person. Next, click Add New Schedule to set up your availability. Name your schedule, like low season, and enter the start and end dates. If your experience is year-round, like a museum entry, you can skip the end date. Now set your standard weekly schedule. For example, if you offer a walking tour every day from 9 a.m., you'd enter those times for each day of the week. You can modify the schedule of any day at any time, remove time slots, or even add additional time slots on specific days. Now, what if you offer a later tour on the first Saturday of the month at 2 p.m.? You'll just add that exception by clicking on Add Date. Select the date you need and the time slot, and repeat as needed. Now let's click Save and Continue and move on to the pricing. First, list your pricing categories. Does the price apply to everyone or does it vary by age? For instance, if you offer a discounted child's ticket for ages 0 till 16, you can add that pricing category by selecting the second option. Simply click on Add Age Group to add the child category and update the age range, 0 till 16 and 17 till 99. If you offer free tickets or do not accept specific age categories, remember to toggle Show Advanced Settings to personalize your setup. Here you can clarify if children need to be accompanied by adults, if they don't require a ticket, and so on. Next, click on Save and Continue to move on to define your group size and capacity. You'll need to specify the minimum and the maximum number of participants per time slot. If your maximum is 20 people and you need a minimum of 1 to run the tour, enter those numbers. And then confirm if your special dates, which are the exceptions you listed, share the same capacity. Remember that if you aren't able to run the product with just one person, set the minimum of participants required to run your product overall. Now let's hit Save and Continue to finalize the prices. Under Customer Pays, list the retail prices and make sure it's in the correct currency. We'll type in 25 for children and 45 for adults. Finally, you have the option to sell additional services or items for your activities. Search for keywords in the search bar, send the quantity available and the price. And that's how you update pricing and availability. Once you're done, click Finish to wrap up. If you've got more schedules or seasonal pricing changes, simply start the process again by adding new schedules or hit Continue to confirm the information. Before you go, a little tip. Inaccurate details can lead to disappointed customers and missed bookings for you. So take a few extra minutes to double-check everything before hitting Publish. For any questions not answered in this video series, remember you can find additional resources at supply.getyourguide.support.